Hi everybody, I am Bonnie Levison and I love storytelling. I have been teaching storytelling for over 15 years and I've been teaching to people from all walks of life, people all over the country and in fact, all around the world. One thing that I know is that everyone has a story. You have a story. You may not think you do, but you do. We all have so many stories inside us, and my goal is to work with the Arts Garage to help find people from our community here and help you find your stories. So we are going to have a series of 2 workshops. They're going to be 2 hours each. They start next Tuesday, February 4th, 4 to 6, and the following Tuesday, February 11th. And we will have a showcase where you present your stories without notes on stage during the open mic spoken word evening on February 18th. I will work with you. You don't have to come with a story. You can come with a story that you have already worked on if you like. But don't worry, I will help you find your story. I will help you structure it, and will help you deliver it. And the one thing I know is when you share your story, it's a gift to the audience. It's also a gift to you. So I hope you'll come out for the workshop. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks.